Hey everyone, so today's video is on how you can dress well, and these are just little ways where you can kind of update your style on a regular basis so you never feel like you're kind of out of style or you don't know what to wear or you feel like the outfit just doesn't go. Hopefully these tips help you to make sure you don't feel like that again. So I really hope you enjoy it and let's get into it. So the first tip to dressing well is to keep a close eye on trends and incorporating them into your wardrobe only if you like them and if you feel like it fits with your personal style. For example, a big trend for autumn this year is tartan, and this was a trend I actually quite liked, so I decided to get something which incorporated the trend but on an item which I knew I could wear with lots of different pieces in my wardrobe, so like the tartan trousers and then the checked skirt. I already wear this style of skirt and trouser lots, so I knew these would work for me. And a good way to discover the trends is just by simply looking online or what's on your favourite brand's new in sections, because you can usually tell if there's a trend going on because there'll be loads in that kind of pattern or colour and things like that. The second tip is to wear the correct underwear. So if you're wearing something like a white top which can be a little bit see-through, it's always good to choose a nude shade bra and one that's smooth so you can't see any texture through the top. It's also a good idea to get regular bra fittings too so you can get the perfect fit, and it really does make a difference to your posture and the overall look of your outfit. Tip 3 is to start your outfit with basics and then add a statement piece. So for this look, I've got on a plain white t-shirt and jeans, and I've just put this light blue jacket over the top which just dresses it up. You could also look for basics which have a kind of twist to them to make them more interesting. So for example, this t-shirt I have on has the frill detail at the bottom, but it's still so easy to incorporate in your wardrobe because it's a classic piece. You could also have a statement bag, so your favourite one, maybe it's in a bright colour like this red one, or a really cool print that just adds some detail to your outfit. Or of course a statement pair of shoes like this pair of snakeskin boots. The next tip is to not always shop at the same places all the time. It's so easy to go back to our favourites, and as much as that is just easy and you know what to expect, sometimes it's good to have things that are a little bit different that maybe not everyone has. I will leave links to some shops that are my favourites in the description if you want to check any out, but it's always good to kind of find new brands just so you can kind of widen your wardrobe a bit more and try out different styles of clothes and qualities, and yeah, it's always good to mix things up. So tip number 5 I think is the biggest secret to dressing well, and it's to keep an outfit cohesive, and what I mean by that is to incorporate lots of complementary colours together. So for example, in this outfit I've got on this brown teddy coat with a brown top and white jeans, and I think that colours like this, especially beige tones, can look really nice together. So if you pick colours that are different shades, so light and dark blue for instance, it can look really luxurious. I did a whole video going in depth on matching colours, so I'll leave a link to it at the end of this video. And finally, the last tip is that it's always better to be slightly overdressed than underdressed. And when I say overdressed, I don't mean going out in heels, I just mean having key pieces in your wardrobe that can add some sophistication to your look. So for this look, I've got on a very basic jeans and a t-shirt outfit again, but by putting this waterfall coat over the top, it just really dresses the look up. And then for this look, switching the waterfall coat for the blazer, again, it just elevates the whole look up and makes it look a lot more put together. I'll leave links to every item I've shown in this video in the description box if you want to check anything out. And trust me, I don't get these tips right all the time. I'm still learning. These are tips that I've just kind of picked up along the way, and I try and incorporate a lot into my outfits, but it's always nice to just kind of dress down and not really care. And then finally, for this last look, a good piece to have in your wardrobe to kind of give your look that dressed up feel is a midi dress. And you can see I've got this outfit on with trainers, but the jacket over the shoulders and the heavyweight fabric of this dress just makes it look a bit more expensive. So that is it everyone, I really hope you liked this video. Dressing well is something I always struggle with, so hopefully this video gives you some ideas on changing up your wardrobe too. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy it, because that would mean the world to me. Have a great day, and I'll speak to you all in my next one. Bye guys.